Dollar is buying 93 US cents, 70 euro cents and 56 pence sterling.
For more on finance, we're joined in the studio by Rod North from Bourse Communications. Rod, good morning.
Good morning.
How's the share market doing?
The share market's actually looking pretty good at the moment. We're about a third of the way through the reporting season, and we've got some pretty big reports out this week. Coming off the back of a good rise in the Dow last night, we should see the market move up quite solidly. But I think the one to sort of look out for today is probably BHP Billiton, because there's a fair bit of talk that they'll record something like a $13 billion profit, so there'll be quite a significant rise from where they were, around $10 billion for the last full year. But there's some talk that they may carve off some of their mining assets as well into another company, so that'll be interesting to watch out for. And Amcor, QBE, Toll. So, you know, we've got some big guns coming through this week after sort of last week's bank, so it'll be interesting just to see what happens there. I think a lot of it's all about whether these companies are going to improve their earnings, maintain their dividend. A lot of companies haven't maintained dividend, and the market hasn't liked that because, you know, investors don't like uncertainty, and a lot of people clearly, you know, look for that dividend for their income as well.
Now we have the latest RBA board meeting minutes out today. What are they expected to show in terms of tea leaves?
I don't think we're going to hear too much more because the policy statement came out, sort of made it fairly clear that the Reserve Bank sees the economy in transition. They're still trying to weigh up really what's happening with the decline in mining investment and then what impact that will have on whether there'll be a pickup in the non-mining sector. So I think a lot of it's about, you know, looking at the key sort of data. You know, the unemployment increase was a bit of a bad move, I suppose, for them to be looking at, you know, up at 6.3%, but yet, you know, people are talking about whether those statistics are correct or not, and we're still, you know, looking very closely at business confidence, consumer confidence, and where that inflation figure is going to end up. So there's still about a 50% chance that there might still be a rate cut, but I'm not really expecting that.
Good to see you this morning, Rod. Thanks very much.
Thanks very much, Rod. Let's check your